So good afternoon, children. Today, after completing chapter number 8, we will be doing the back exercise of chapter 8. So let's start with it. First of all, question number 1 is there. Fill the missing words in the blank spaces in the following statements. So first is wind is dash air. Yes, Davanya.
Moving air.
Wind is a moving air.
Okay, so you can write down here wind is a moving air. Children, you may write down. Kindly get ready with your pencils.
Moving air.
Mute yourself. Next, B part. Winds are generated due to the. Yes, Anupriya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, winds are generated due to uneven heating on the earth.
Uneven. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Uneven heating. Heating on the earth. Already written it is. Next is near the earth's surface. Dash rises.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Aryan Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Near the Earth's surface, cold air rises
No,
up,
no, no,
whereas
no, no,
hot
no,
air.
no, no. Wait, wait. Hot air rises up. Hot air rises.
Sorry.
And ma'am,
Hot
cold
air
air is coming down.
rises up and cold air is coming down.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hot air
maybe we
rises
write warm
and
air
cold.
also.
Yes, you can
Up
write down better. One
and
is the
cold
same
air
thing.
get down.
One is the same thing.
Yes,
Even you
ma'am.
can write down the warm air. Next, swastik, D part. Air moves from a region of dash pressure to a pressure of dash. Air moves
Air
from
moves from a region of a low pressure, high pressure to a low pressure.
okay, high pressure to the low pressure.
Low pressure.
Okay, better. Okay, next come to the next question number 2. Suggest any two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. So kindly raise your hands only. If you want to find out the wind direction at a given place, then what two methods we need to follow? Yes, Avika.
Ma'am, we can use the instrument known as anemometer, which is used to,
Find the wind
which
direction.
is, ma'am, yes, and ma'am, we can use the wind vane. It is also an instrument which is used to find the wind direction.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can also use a weathercock.
Weathercock. Weathercock is also given to find the wind direction at a given place. Okay, children, you can write this
Ma'am,
answer in the
We
wind
can
pointers.
vane
use
is same.
weathercock, ma'am.
Ma'am, wind vane is same as weathercock.
Yes,
Some
that is another name, nothing else. So any two things you can use, you can write down wind vane and anemometer. Anemometer is a instrument which is used to find out the wind direction at a given place. Okay, question number 3 is state any two experiences that made you think that air pressure other than the given in the textbook. So air exert pressure, you know that. So you have to give any two methods, any two experiences that air exert pressure. Kindly raise your hand. Any two methods. So many experiments you have done. So many experiments you have done, and that all shows that air exert pressure. Yes, any one, the Vanya you will tell, and after that Anupriya you.
Ma'am, we can take a stick, two balloons and a thread. We can glue the balloons of same size and then attach them to the thread. Then blow the air between them and they are coming closer to each other. This shows that the air exerts pressure.
Okay, this is in the book, but other than book you have to give a very simple. Anupriya, you can give the another example of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, blowing air in a balloon makes it expand.
Okay. When we blow air inside the balloon or when we inflate it, it become bigger in the size. And we if we put more pressure and one more air has been added, then what happens? The balloon get burst. So it means the
Yes,
balloon
ma'am.
has
yes.
exert the pressure. Any other example you can give?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Avika.
Ma'am, may I?
Srajal, next question you
Ma'am,
will give.
Ma'am, there is an example of a cap of a pen. If we blow the air, so ma'am, the hissing sound is coming from the cap. This shows that the air has pressure because the air is coming in and out, escaping in and out from the cap.
Cap. Okay, but children, so many examples are there. Any two examples. So you may
Ma'am,
write
we
down your
can.
own examples. Okay, no issue is there. Next question number 4. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows, no ventilators, but no ventilators? So Strajal, give the answer. You want to purchase a house. So you will be purchasing a house without ventilators. Yes,
No,
Strajal.
it is
May I?
necessary to contain ventilators.
Ma'am, may I?
Uh, yes, Rajal was there. I
Ma'am,
think
it is
he.
not a
Yes, Rajal. Unmute and give the answer. Anshika Single. You may give the answer. Anshika Single.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what's the answer? Rajal. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I want to buy a house having windows.
No, no. It is there that no ventilators. Without ventilators,
Ma'am,
you will be purchasing a house.
ma'am, I will be purchasing a house with ventilators, ma'am, because it is necessary for a house to contain ventilator.
No. I want the exact reason for it. Why it is so? Yes, Avika.
Ma'am, it is important. Ma'am, I will buy the house with the ventilators as the air should be coming in and out in the house, and if there will be no ventilator, so the house will be rusted.
Not
Ma'am, may
exactly.
I?
Yes,
Ma'am, the
Swati.
Ma'am,
house
the
will
air should
counter.
ventilate in the
Okay,
house.
wait. Srajal, you have to speak. Rest mute. Yes.
Ma'am, the air should ventilate in and out of the house. As ma'am, if it remains in the house, there will be great air pressure and ma'am, uncomfortable for the people living inside it.
Okay. So one thing I want to add in this answer, children, as you
Ma'am,
all
they
are
can get
speaking,
suffocated.
wait for a second.
Can I tell?
Wait for us. Wait for a second, children. You just need to follow the right answer for it. And you know the ventilators are near the roof. They are on the top of the this house. So why it is
Ma'am,
so? Why we
near the roof or
are
in
yes,
the the hot
yes,
shaft. Air goes
yes,
out.
or in the
Ma'am, so
shaft.
that hot
Yes,
air goes out.
yes. This is the exact reason for that because in the room, whenever the hot air is there and hot air is lighter, it may move up and go out from the ventilators, and the fresh air may enter through the ventilator. So this is a major reason that whenever we are purchasing a house, there should be a ventilators. Even at your home, you can check the ventilators are there or not. So
Yes,
ventilators
ma'am, there is
are
a shaft for the ventilation.
yes, ventilation is there.
Ma'am,
So
the people in the house will
present at the
suffocated
roof also.
if there is no ventilator in the house.
so kindly mute yourself. Each one of you can't speak at a time. Okay. So I think I'm very clear with it. From that, hot air will goes out and the fresh air will come
Ma'am,
inside.
ma'am,
Next,
I want to
To this, ma'am,
tell
the
one more thing.
yes, tell.
Ma'am, while cooking the food, the smoke is produced, so the smoke can also be gone upwards as it is the hot air through the ventilators
Yes,
and the fresh air come.
yes,
And
exactly.
ma'am, that is why we apply chimneys.
Yes, that's why
Yes,
because
ma'am.
smoke, smoke is exactly the hot air that rises up. Okay, next question number 5. Kindly raise your
and
hands.
the people in the house
Explain.
get suffocated.
Explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Kindly raise your hands. Yes, Aryan Sharma. Will you give the answer?
Ma'am, which answer?
Question number 5. Anupriya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Question number 5.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, air creates pressure due to this pressure. Banner and hoarding flutter and turn out when wind is blowing fast.
Okay, so due
Holes
to
are
the
made in banner. Ma'am,
okay, fine,
holes are
beta.
made.
Yes, that's why the holes are made in the banners and hoardings so that it should not be torn because due to the higher wind air pressure. Okay, next is
Can I tell the next answer, Dhavanya?
next. No, Dhavanya, but wait, beta. Let others ask, give the answer. Next question number 7. How will you help your neighbor in case cyclone approaches your village or town? Okay, children, already question number 6 and 7 we have done. Just now we have done. So I don't want to repeat it. Okay.
By
This,
by
Giving some
searching for
water.
shelter.
oh,
Ma'am,
please,
by
please.
giving them water in the
By
emergency.
saving food for their by saving water.
So question number 8 is, which one of the following places is unlikely to be affected by a cyclone? So the exact answer will be Amritsar. So there is a reason behind it.
Chennai.
Yes. So
Yes,
kindly
ma'am.
mark the answer. This is Amritsar. And question number 9, which of the statements are given below is correct? In winters, the wind blows from land to ocean. In summer, wind blows from land towards the ocean. And number 3, a cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system with a very high speed winds. The coastline of India is not vulnerable to cyclones. So what can be the right answer for it?
Ma'am, third one is the
Third.
answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, third.
Ma'am,
Third
third
is
is correct. A cyclone is formed by a
Ma'am,
very
yes,
high
third.
pressure system with
okay.
very high
Third
speed
answer.
Okay, children. Third is the right answer for it.
revolving around it.
So this was your work. So back exercise of chapter number 8.
Ma'am, fourth